Interior Minister banana relief items or they banana
yeah.
way.
Yeah.
I mean, we consulting.
We discussed it.
We make some recommendations as in proposals. I kind of say more the be two tables to say we anyway no the buy beboa. I want to understand them.
This is it. Mampenyi ba. I fear na asem si mampenyi cause I.
Yeah.
Oni undi nkomo ka che won say. Obehwe say enema ye ya ebe ma omo ahare omno ye be ye na enumenim ye. Enti immediately mampenyi koye no. Oma Maslock chief executive ba memeneda or ha memeneda or ha Sunday ebehwe nipa no registration ye no. The as we speak Maslock chief executive train see be we registration no ni ya categorize it because ye obi a register be ye fa normal asay sika osusu say wahwe any all those ones yetimi amantimi momu say o 70 billion amantimi 70 billion ewo ho bakaka de be so wasen no every one of them I be registered be will be covered. So we are working on that based on president instructions no. Yeah. Minister for gender so buy ebe he kwan ebe fa so a oni a oye kunafo ni ma ni yedie ni so omu yedu kwa do omu personal contribution omu ye 100,000 cedis. And na minister bo mama de ya mama ko bi account and omu the account. Every money every money that is coming to the regional minister is giving it back to them. Obi discovery regional minister, he's giving it back to them. Even the gender minister, Maslock, years ago, we want them to control their own money. The minister at the moment. So we are working on those instructions now. Agencies are a share. All of them are under interior minister,
yeah, sure.
NADMO, police, fire. Until right from Friday, we have been in constant engagement with the Minister of Interior on the phone 24/7. So it just so happened as the chief supervisor of the agencies, he will come and assess and see logistically no matter here. What I say, and what are the policy level he can do to help us deliver on Enkofono requests now. So exactly what he came to do. Now he is coming with a NADMO director general, and the president directed that NADMO should come to their aid. Obi no marche, ye clear ho, ye clear kwanwe. Even if ye cast on one kwanko the container, ye clear ho nwe insist your own team container no. So it means that all this period, omon ton they are not making income. Inti nyansa a woman say oba bepe bi kaka de abana kufia kudidi for the period I want on ye. It in na interior minister at the 1,500 bags of rice. Considering the fact that the data that we have given to him is about 1,600, and or the 800 cartons of oil, 800 cartons of soup. At the buy, said the bear, for the meantime, no, BB a so was selling for 5 days, so that as we navigate the other part, at the Mababisi baby, will be a friend of Sedum Babisi, no home by Harry or Ekaka. And the regional minister took the interior minister throughout the site to the second frontage of the second phase of the KGTR phase 2, make a full interchange, actually, the baby, I ain't nanum in qua palm say, ye be you quiet to boss ever mature. Actually, we had called the leadership of the various associations to come and receive the items. The items were not supposed to be shared at the site because that would be chaotic. What I say, but Minister Ndiaban, he wanted the leadership to see. So the cars came there not because we're coming to share the rice at the site.
So by this, Nema no man rejected.
No. Leadership naji. I'm your handy over. I'm your data no. Ma womo. Intende. And no more and Casabeche no man war. As is. And yes, you baby you muna go on. I rejected.
What you would say? Oma rejected. Traders are rejecting him.
The fact is that there were a few young men yeni leaders in Ninkomano. Ombeka as a Yempemo, but there were some who were also on our right who were shouting Yempemo. What I say, young men.
Do you see that to be normal? I
mean, young man, they having Mandino. You call almost to your baby busy. Oh, we get up as a daily visit. The BC about 1 wire with you. What I say, I mean, those ones you call almost to make of our Blasman, the barber, Tonium, Niz, those ones is normal. Say we are in a man.
Yeah. Okay, do you understand that thing?
Oh, yes. That will be that. Hey, Oba, school. Yes, you're Koshipotu. We always Shipotu.
And then RCC will receive we receive
the items has already been received.
Make us say traders no leadership
leadership no yeah they no man only not move for no be no money na.
Okay.
Yeah, person nipa no ka be chaotic. Nti say bia hawkers and omo de omo ba na no omo de omo ba. We would want to as much as possible deal the vulnerable first. Emba na omo kunu no mawu ni emerwafo na ewo mu no omo am prepare na omo de dem e wo ha omo ton ade no. Let's deal with the vulnerable first and then after that we'll deal with the rest.
I see, and I'm told to say mo be call but I'm told to say mo be call nana no bet nasin ne. Mo regional minister be call o be kobi.
Yeah. Mpanyefo say ade na wo bi na wie bi.
Yeah.
Kom ha ye we. Obia ni tumi na nyina was anten no. Ndi ade no so esi ye no santen so onyi na nimfi so efiada na sana ansa na bizina na etukwa kaka. Ndi fiada na oma achamfo asafo hene ya komu hene okumaze. O mane one hwe kumasi so ama na santen nti oba ho one na dum hene na trade hene na tugo oba ho fiada na nyume no regional minister officially ama mekwa so me yekobo na mama na DSA omoso ka se ombefe kumasi traditional council ni nyina ama regional minister be bifio mu DSC ye die mane ba ye ene die yo ye sinto a we adwumadie ni mu na omoso ahu mo a mo be bo a regional minister de sa ama ne nyina akobo na nanom adwada no almost edge fell so my regional minister kwanche na futu bebia de odi a ebebo ama kumasi etimagina said the nyina ehwe no nti o nananum ka se benada o meba ho aba behwe ampa nananum ba benada ebehwe dwumadi no ema almost my kwanche bebre support bia ye da o masepa nananum support of the regional minister bekane no ade a eswe ni to support bi o so my bia no mo de my na almost ewo nim difo wo mu wakachefo wo mu ndi omuso yes omuso be hia omuso nim difo ni wana krachefo no omu wi a regional minister amfa de asan ye free dwada na be kan de no emfa mra na afi omuso ma ya kwanche na dwumadi a ye kwa kodie no yetimi ede ne kama nti based on ma kwanche no ene ma regional minister emiti Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly na obetimi ede all inputs table so dey go ede amom na it's good that the president gave us this choice of a regional minister, very proactive, very energetic, and he's delivering on the wishes and aspirations of the good people of Ashanti region, and they can be rest assured that the regional minister Akoma so ade na no be amom.
I see. Doc.
Yes.
Bibi aboko there.
I said you ba ha there bibi aboko.
Oh,